Hey, it is Jen Eden here. I am the founder of the Sugar Freedom Method. I'm a health coach for almost 20 years. I'm almost 50, mom to 3, and I have been teaching about sugar addiction, weight loss for nearly 2 decades. And one of the biggest questions that I hear all the time as a mom to 3 kids, I happen to have a 6-pack ab, not every single day, but I have them. I have a nice middle section, and women always say, how do I get that, Jen? Like, what did you do? After kids, I kind of got thick around the waist and I don't understand. And so, like, what are your best tips? So here's the thing, and I was debating, like, how do I talk about this? Yes, because yes, abs have to do with weight loss, right? If you're carrying an extra 40 pounds, you're going to be thick around the middle. So it is somewhat of a weight issue to have abs. But I know a lot of women who are somewhat lean, but their middle section, right? It will not get in shape. And so this is what I really want to talk about today. Like, what is going on in that middle section? I'm going to tell you now, there's 3 things that I find. One is your digestion is off, okay? The lining of your stomach and the small and large intestines, they say if you would pull them out, it's like a football stadium. It's like true story. So your intestines go on and on and on and on and on, right? They're just rolled up in us. Now, if you're having stomach issues, digestive issues, your bowels are off, you cannot have flat abs. It's a true story. You have to work on your gut health. That is number 1. Number 2, if you have high stress, who doesn't? But high stress, chronic stress all the time, you cannot have flat abs. Your waistline thickens from cortisol. You can look that up, although I know you're here to listen to me, but I always say, look, you can double check what I'm saying. Cortisol, okay, thickens us. Cortisol, okay, it's a stress hormone. So a second piece is your stress. Number 1, your gut health. Number 2, your stress. Okay, the third thing about waist, what's going on, back fat, right? Why can I squeeze things I couldn't before? Well, the truth is you can't out-exercise a bad diet. So if you have processed foods, tons of sugar, that is where sugar loves to store on women, okay? Hips, thighs, back of your right back where your stomach is and behind, you can pinch. It is absolutely diet related. I have marathon runners who would come to me in super fly shape. What's going on with my middle section? And I would say your gut health, okay, your stress levels, and for sure, the amount of processed foods they were eating. Now I'm going to tell you now, you get those 3 things in balance, and you will start to be in the direction of wanting your tummy flatter, you feeling confident in a bathing suit or even just in your clothes. But it's not do more crunches. It's not exercise more. It's none of those things for your abs. It's just not true. It's a digestive issue. It's a gut health issue, okay? It's a sugar issue. It's these things, I promise you. So hopefully that will calm you on your quest to look and feel your best, and you won't just keep chasing these things that people want to sell us that honestly don't get the job done. So I hope that was more than helpful. Thank you for being here. And as always, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I would love it if you did that. There's a button that appears somewhere below my video, and then we can stay in touch every Wednesday. All right, have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you soon.